Hey guys, it's Thursday. Can you believe it? Ken, and we have another math lesson coming at you. All right. So once you get into the pear deck, let us know how you're feeling. I'm recording this lesson after going on a bike ride. It was windy, but I did it. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good. And we will begin shortly. Okay, Thursday. I've got the right lesson. Whew. All right, so now we're gonna get on and start with addition and subtraction. So if you look at this, it says blank plus 25 equals 75. So you've got to figure out which number is that missing number. So think about what strategy you could use. You could put it on a number line. You could think, I'd see that this is 25 and this is 75. So you can think about what you might know about quarters, which also equal 25. So there's a lot of strategies that you can use. On this one, guys, we're going to let you show us what you have, okay? So we're not going to do a whole lot of the work for you because I want to see what you guys can do, okay? Think you guys are going to handle that one well. Then we're going to be going into time. Just write down what time it is, okay? Draw a shape that has 6 sides, and then don't forget, I'm going to do it in orange because that's the best of the colors. Show what the name of the shape is. Write it down. Use that text tool. Write it with your pen. You guys are getting good at that, but make sure you name the shape. X. That's the only clue I'm going to give you. All right. Then make sure you're going through, double check your addition, but we're working on those quick math facts. Try and add these up as quick as you can. And then on the flip side, go through and try to subtract these as quick as you can, okay? A tip, if you're having a hard time, like let's look at 13 minus 8, okay? Think about this as what it looks like in let me think about what tool I want. A fact triangle, okay? So if I had 13 minus 8 in a fact triangle, I knew the 13 would be right here. Whoa, that's getting wild. And then the 8's on this side in a fact family. So if I didn't know what 13 minus 8 was, I could use addition to help me. I could say 8 plus what is 13? Well, I know 2 more to get to 10, and then 3 more to get to 13. The secret is, there you go. Just count your way up if you have a hard time with some of those subtraction ones, okay? Then skip counting. We jumped back to 3s. We don't want you to forget those. So show us what you have as far as skip counting by 3s, okay? Once you go through it, go through and do the count. 3, 6, 9. That's all I'm going to give you. You should know the rest, guys. You guys are killing it. All right. Then we have a little basketball. The best game of all the games. We have a basketball number story, okay? And this is going to give you a clue as to what our lesson is. So the following is a basketball team score by quarter. First quarter, they scored 13. Second quarter, they scored 2 points. That was a rough quarter. Third quarter, they scored 7. And fourth quarter, they scored 7. How many points did the teams score? So we want to know how many points did they score all together. Show your work and make sure you make your answer clear. But this one's all you guys, okay? If you didn't guess, today we're going to be working on, we've learned those strategies, so we're going to mainly be working on using strategies for solving problems with 3 or more addends, okay? Oh, I wish I could cover that up with my hand, but the 2 and the 3 are the addends, and the 5 is the sum, okay? So hopefully you remember this strategy. You guys have been rocking it. This partial sums, where we take numbers and we break it up into parts. So we broke the 54 up into a 10 and 1s of 50 and 4 and 20 and 8. We broke it up into parts, and then we're going to use that to add, okay? We're going to use this for addends, all right? So when we're adding 13 plus 21 plus 12 plus 15, I did the work of splitting it out into those partial sums into your 10s and then into your 1s. Look, I can put a T here because that's my 10 spot, and then this is my 1 spot, okay? So we have our 10s and our 1s. Just add up those columns, okay? 3 and 1 is 4, 2 more is 6, and 6 is 5 is 11, okay? Bring that plus sign down, and then you have 10 and 20 is 30, then this 10 is 40, and then 50. I want to see your guys' work here, okay? So 50 plus 11, bump it on, 61, okay? These next ones, guys, I'm going to let you guys do them, okay? I want to see you guys breaking them up just like we did on this one. I want to see this work. Let's go blue. Ooh, green. I want to see this work on your slides. Don't skip that part. I want to see that on this slide. On this slide, show your work. And even this one, you have to show your work on that one too. Don't just skip over that one because it might seem easier. And then you get to this word problem, okay? Where Eli, he's having it must be laundry day in Eli's house because Eli has 14 socks. He found 5 more socks in the washer. Then his mom gave him 13 more socks. How many socks does Eli have total? So think about what strategies are you going to use to solve this? How are you going to show your work? Okay. How many socks does he have total? And then is he going to have one extra? I have 1 sock in my laundry basket right now that's extra. I can't find the match for it, but as soon as I get rid of it, guess what? The other sock's going to turn up. Okay, guys. You guys have this. 3 or more add-ins. You've got it. Use your strategies. Show us what you have. Before you finish and exit out of this, go back through and check over your work. Just check it. It won't take long. Uh-oh, you didn't show your work on this one. Go back and show your work, okay? Impress us. All right, guys, you're going to rock it.